Welcome to Lisbon, Portugal's vibrant capital city where tradition and modernity blend seamlessly. Today we're diving into what makes Lisbon an extraordinary travel destination. From its historic neighborhoods to its delectable cuisine, get ready to explore the wonders of this European gem. Lisbon is steeped in history, and it's best experienced through its remarkable landmarks, each telling a unique story of the past. The Belém Tower, an iconic symbol of Portugal's Age of Discoveries, stands tall on the Tagus River, guarding the city with its majestic presence. Nearby, the Jerónimos Monastery showcases stunning Manueline architecture, reflecting Portugal's maritime glory and its rich cultural heritage. And don't miss a taste of history with the famous Pastéis de nata, Lisbon's beloved custard tarts, a true delight for your taste buds. These delectable treats are a perfect blend of crispy pastry and creamy filling, and you'll find the best ones in the Belém district, where tradition meets flavor. Wander through Alfama, Lisbon's oldest neighborhood, where the narrow, winding streets echo with the soulful sounds of Fado music. This traditional Portuguese genre is known for its melancholic melodies and heartfelt lyrics, offering a glimpse into the emotional essence of Portuguese culture. By night, head to Bairro Alto. This lively district comes alive with music, bars, and a vibrant nightlife. It's the perfect place to experience Lisbon's energetic spirit and mingle with locals. For breathtaking views of the city, visit one of Lisbon's many miradouros or viewpoints scattered throughout the city. Miradouro da Senhora do Monte and Miradouro da Santa Catarina offer panoramic vistas of the city's picturesque skyline and the Tagus River, perfect for photography enthusiasts. Another must-see is LX Factory, a vibrant cultural and creative hub located in a former industrial complex, brimming with energy and creativity. Here you'll find a mix of street art, quirky shops, and eclectic dining options, making it a unique destination. It's a hotspot for art lovers and those looking for something off the beaten path, offering a truly unique experience. Getting around Lisbon is easy with its efficient public transport system, including the famous yellow trams that wind through the city's charming streets. Grab a Lisboa Card for unlimited travel and discounts at various attractions, making your trip even more convenient. As the sun sets over Lisbon, you'll understand why this city captures the hearts of all who visit, leaving a lasting impression. Its rich history, vibrant culture, and stunning views make it an unforgettable destination for travelers. Thanks for joining us on this journey through Lisbon. We hope you found it inspiring. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel adventures. 8 Logo.